Hey you. Yes, you. Hi, welcome to ICS College. We both know that queuing at the bank can sometimes be boring and tiring, right? So, I'm going to take you through a simple process that you can use to pay your fees at ICS College from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Sit comfortably. Don't put your feet on the table. Alright. Step 2. Take your phone. Step 3. Go to M-PESA. Step 4. Select Lipa na M-PESA. Step 5. Select pay bill and enter the business number 7107527. Step 6. Enter the account number. For a new student, your account number will be your full name. An already registered student, the account number will be your admission number. Right. Enter the amount. Put in your PIN number. Now, confirm that the payment is with East Africa Institute of Certified Studies. And just like that, you will have made your fee payment at the comfort of your home. Welcome to ICS College, the best college in Kenya.